Gemini, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for October 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. What's the update for Gemini? Update for Gemini. October 16 to 31. What's the energy? Wow. Okay, I see freedom. You are freeing yourself, Gemini. Finally, meron ka ng kinu-close na chapter sa buhay mo. May nililet go ka na. You are stepping into your own power and you are finally moving forward. Okay? Nandun ka na sa healing process mo. And part ng healing process mo is acceptance and also release. May nilet go ka that is no longer serving you. Oh, Eight of Swords. Ito yung pag-overthink or may mga limiting beliefs ka. Oh, the Tower. Tinatanggal mo na yung limiting beliefs na yan. You've been through a lot, Gemini. No? May mga disappointments, pain, separation. This can be relationship, or sa career mo, trabaho mo, yung pinupurso mo sa buhay na parang feeling mo you are limited, na parang walang growth. Even sa relationship, feeling mo, napipigilan ka na umunlad dahil sa relationship na meron ka. But you are freeing yourself or you're making that change. Na-realize mo na kung ano yung mga naging mali mo, ano yung mga choices mo, na alam mong hindi pala yun makakabuti for you. And at least na-realize mo na may chance ka pa na may ayusin sa buhay mo. Ayan na pag nilay-nilayan mo yan. And now, alam mo na kailangan mo nang i-let go. Ano yung dapat mong i-let go. Dahil there is a chapter in your life that is closing and now starting na ang bagong buhay mo. And you are working on it. You are really doing your best. You are mastering your craft. You are focusing on yourself. Yan, no? Kaya ngayon, ikaw ay magiging very, very, very successful. Especially in your career, finances, ano man yung pinupurso mo. I also see fame. Maaring ikaw mas magiging kilala, famous, popular sa field or area na pinupurso mo ngayon. Let's clarify. Decision. Ayan. You finally decided na ipurso na or tapusin na, i-let go na, and be more open to new beginnings. Wow. You have the 10 of Cups. You are finally choosing your happiness. You are finally choosing peace and also time with your family. Yung mga tao talagang totoong nagmamahal sa'yo at nagki-care para sa'yo. What is the Queen of Wands? The Two of Wands. Ang laki talaga ng focus mo sa action. Mas nagiging action-oriented ka at goal-getter, kumbaga. You know what you want. Ace of Cups, may new source of happiness. Yung iba sa inyo, this is a specific message or reading. Maaari mabibilin nyo na yung pangarap nyong sasakyan or makakapag-travel na kayo sa pangarap nyong destination, whether this is international travel or a place na gusto mo talagang i-explore. Moving on, moving forward, mas nagiging ka ngayon, productive. Marami kang nagagawa. Kasi alam mo na kung ano yung gagawin mo. Alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mo. Diba? Pansinin niyo yan, kapag wala kayong focus sa isang bagay, sa isang araw, parang walang direksyon yung maghapon. Na oo, busy ka pero wala ka natapos. Kasi hindi mo siya na plano ng maayos. So ngayon, mas focus ka sa mga plans mo. You're really working on yourself, Gemini. Hmm. In sync crew working together. So, there are also people na helpful sa'yo, supportive sa mga ginagawa mo. Sila yung, kumbaga, kasama mo sa hirap at ginhawa. Oh my God. Oh, new beginnings. Yung iba, may literal baby, no? Pregnancy. It's a fresh start. Some of you, merong bagong relationship, no? Source of happiness. Ayan. Maaring this can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces that you are dealing with, or meron kang heavy water sign placements. You are emotionally connected and also may pagka-sensitive ka in a good way kasi nararamdaman mo kung ano yung kailangan mo at kailangan ng mga tao sa paligid mo. At yung desisyon na dapat mong piliin kung ikaw ay may pagkakataon na pumili. Yung iba sa inyo, you are connecting with new people, new friends that is going to help you para ma-achieve mo yung mga goals and dreams mo. Ayan. Beauty. You are also focusing on yourself, taking care of your needs and also yung iyong pag-aayos ng sarili. Ini-improve mo ang iyong sarili. Wow. You are also attracting abundance in your life right now. And yung creative energies mo. Oo. You are flowing. Yung creative energies mo, nagfo-flow talaga siya. You are becoming more creative. Yung imagination mo, marami kang mga naisip na ideas that will bring new beginnings sa iyong life. Tingnan natin yung energy ng money, career, finances. Money, career, finances for Gemini. You have the 7 of Cups. Maraming options for you right now. Pero makakapili ka ng isa na kung saan nandun yung alam mo, nandun yung expertise mo, nandun yung interest mo. Kasi minsan, minsan naiengganyo tayo sa nakikita natin sa paligid natin. Na akala natin, yun yung para sa atin, pero yung totoo, nadidistract lang tayo. Kaya, you will find it within yourself kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. You have the 10 of Swords, you are letting go of something na nagpapahirap sa'yo sa work, sa trabaho, sa business, sa career mo, or even yung mindset mo na hindi na naka-align sa goals mo. And you will also protect your energies. And also, ito yung strength din lakas ng loob na i-pursue yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin kahit na may mga pumipigil sa'yo. So, importante, meron kang courage. Love life, 2 of Swords, Ace of Wands. Kung single ka, I feel like you are exploring new connections, new relationships ngayon. Oo, ayan merong person nagiging malapit sa iyo ngayon or maaring makikilala ka ngayon na magiging inspiration mo sa buhay. Babaguhin ito yung life mo. This will transform your love life. Wow. Pwedeng ito ay isang yung parang surprise talaga. Unexpected, unexpected na relationship or person na darating sa buhay mo na dun mo masasabi na okay, ready na ako for a new relationship. Kung single ka, oo. Wow, prosperity lies ahead. Yes. Gemini, kanina lumabas na rin yung prosperity. Abundance, ayan You are becoming more productive, mas marami kang nagagawa. You are stepping into your own power. Oh my goodness. 'Di ba? Nare-realize mo ulit yung kakayanan mo sa buhay. Oh my God. This is for real. Totoo na to, Gemini. Energy update ninyo is a new romantic cycle begins. Oh, 'di ba? Kino-confirm lang talaga na merong bagong relationship, bagong romantic connection na mabubuo or madedevelop, no? Ngayong second half ng October for you. Wow. Okay, so that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.